Good morning, students of class 10. I have read about chapter 3 linear equation 2 variables. Linear equation in 2 variables. An equation of the form ax plus by plus equal to 0 where a, b and c are real numbers and a not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0 are called linear equation 2 variable. There are four methods. There are four methods of solutions of linear 2 variables. They are graphical method, elimination method, substitution method and cross multiplication method. Exercise 3. First read about graphical method. Question given that solve which of the following system of equations graphically method. First question given that 2x plus 3y equal to 2 and second equation x minus 2y equal to 8. By first equation and second equation find minimum 3 solutions. X and y form x and y 2 column for 2 column x and y x equal to 1 y equal to 0 x equal to minus 2 y equal to 2 x equal to 4 y equal to minus 2 x equal to minus 5 then y equal to 4. For second equation x minus 2 y equal to 8 therefore x equal to 8 minus plus 2 y. Form 2 column for x and y x equal to 6 y equal to minus 1 x equal to 4 y equal to minus 2 x equal to 2 y equal to minus 3 x equal to 0 y equal to minus 4. Now take a graph paper and draw two lines x and x dash, this is x axis, and vertically draw line y and y dash, this is called y axis. Both lines intersect each other at point O. So O is a origin or reference point. Point O is called origin or reference point. Right of origin, take a positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 etc. Left of origin -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8 etc. Upper position of that means upward of origin take a positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Downward of origin -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and -7, -8 etc. Now take a x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 y equal to 0. Here locate point x equal to 2 y equal to x equal to minus 2 y equal to 2 x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 2 x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 2. Here all points, all the given point for x and y point take a on graph paper on x and y. Here this is graph of join by take your scale join each point. 2x plus this is graph of 2x plus 3y equal to 2. Next for equation 2 x equal to 6 y equal to 1 x equal to 6 y equal to 1. Here locate x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 2. Here locate x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3 y equal to minus 3. Here locate this is point and x equal to 0 that on the origin and y equal to minus 4. Now join by a scale all the points. Here both graph intersect each other at a point A. Therefore the point of intersection of two graph is the solution of x and solution of this equation. So here point intersection is A. Therefore x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 2. Therefore x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 2 answer. Both equations of graph intersect each other at a point A. Here at a point A, so the coordinate of point A, coordinate of point A is a solution of x and y. X equal to 4 and y equal to minus 2. X plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore is equal to minus 2 by minus 2. Similarly, form 2 column for x and y, I find minimum 3 solution. Minimum 3 solution. Second question, 3x plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. 3 is equal to 2 minus 2y is equal to 2 minus 2y upon 3. For this equation, by this equation, find a minimum 3 solution for x and y in column form. Now take a graph paper and same way draw x dash, this x axis, and y dash, this is called y axis. Both at the intersection point O, this is called origin. O is origin. Right of origin take positive, upward positive, left positive, and downward left negative, and downward also negative. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now this point located on the same graph paper. This point and this also this point. Both equations intersect each other point A. The point of intersection A is called the solution of this equation. So here x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 2. Done. Question. Solve each of the following. Question number 16. Solve each of the following given system of equations graphically and find the vertices and area of the triangle. Area of the triangle formed by these lines and the y-axis. Question 16 given 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. Therefore is equal to 3y minus 6 upon 2. For this equation, by this equation, find for 2 column for x and y and find minimum 3 zeros. Minimum 3 solution. 2x plus 3y minus 18 equal to 0. 2x equal to 18 plus minus 3y. x equal to 18 minus 3y upon 2. For this equation, by this equation, find 3 or 4 zeros for x and column from column x and y and found minimum 3 or 4 zeros. In same way, draw a graph on x axis. This is axis. Y dash, this is y axis. Right of origin, right plus sign 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 upward plus 1 2 3 4 5 6, left minus 1 1 2 3, downward minus 1 1 2 minus 1 2 etc. Now locate the point for x and y both equation. Here given that and y axis, this is y axis, this is ABC triangle form A, B and C. The vertices of A 3, 4, vertices of B 0, 6, vertices of C 0 and 2. This is it. ABC is a triangle form. Now in triangle ABC, base BC equal to 4 units. Base BC equal to 1 2 3 4 units, and height AD equal to 1 2 3 4 units. 1 2 3 units. AD height 3 units. Area of triangle, as you know, area of triangle equal to half division into height. Therefore half into 4 into 3 square units. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 6 square units answer. Next method is elimination method. In elimination method, as you will say, eliminate x term or y term. Question number 1 given that solve for x and y, 3x plus 2y equal to 4 given, and 2x minus 3y equal to 7 given. This equation first, this is second. For elimination of, I will say eliminate by बाई तो 2 3 जा 6 और 3 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 इन इक्वेशन फर्स्ट and multiply by 2 in equation second and adding them because in elimination point upper positive and lower negative both different sign, so adding the both equation, adding always both equation. So 3 3 is 9x, 2 3 is 6 by 4 3 is 12, 2 2 is 4 3 2 is 6, 7 2 is 14, 6 by cancel. Now 9x plus 4x equal 13x और 12 प्लस 14 इक्वल 26 है, 13 इक्वल 26 इधर से इक्वल 26 अपॉन 13 इक्वल टू 2 आंसर. नाउ पुटिंग x इक्वल टू 2 इन इक्वेशन फर्स्ट और सेकेंड एज यू विश. तो 3x फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन गिवन दैट 3x प्लस 2 बाई इक्वल टू 4 है, तो 3 इंटू 2 बिकॉज हेयर वैल्यू ऑफ x इक्वल टू 2 इंसर्ट x इक्वल टू 2 प्लस 2 बाई इक्वल टू 4 है, 3 जो है 6 है प्लस 2 बाई इक्वल टू 4 है, 2 बाई इक्वल टू 4 माइनस 6 इक्वल टू माइनस 2, 2 बाई इक्वल टू माइनस 2 therefore बाई इक्वल टू माइनस 2 अपॉन 2 इक्वल माइनस 1 आंसर. सो x इक्वल टू 2 एंड बाई इक्वल टू माइनस 1 आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर सोल्व फॉर एक्शन बाई x प्लस बाई इक्वल 5x बाई दिस क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, 3x प्लस 2 बाई इक्वल 13x बाई दिस क्वेश्चन सेकेंड. फॉर आई विश एलिमिनेट बाई टर्म, तो इन क्वेश्चन 2 here 2 बाई but here only by multiply by 2 in equation first both by terms are equal, multiply by 2 in equation first and subtract equation 2 from 1 2x plus 2 by equal to 5 to 10x by 3x plus 2 by equal to 13x by right, plus minus plus change into minus plus change into minus, 2 by minus 2 by cancel, 2x माइनस 3x इक्वल टू माइनस एक्स और 13x बाई माइनस 10x बाई 30x बाई माइनस 3x बाई माइनस माइनस कैंसिल, एक्सेस कैंसिल, रिमेनिंग LHS 1 to 3 बाई therefore बाई इक्वल टू 1 by 3 आंसर. नाउ पुटिंग ए बाई को 1 by 3 इक्वेशन फर्स्ट, इन क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट और सेकेंड एज यू विश. x प्लस बाई इक्वल टू x प्लस 1 by 3 इक्वल टू 5x इंटू 1 by 3 x प्लस 1 by 3 5 इंटू 5x by 3 x माइनस 5 अपॉन 3 इक्वल टू माइनस 1 by 3 राइट हेयर x अपॉन 1 टेक एलसीएम ऑफ 1 and 3 3 1 3 जो 3 to 3x माइनस 3 1 जो 3 अब 5 से 1 इक्वल 5x. नाउ 3x माइनस 5 इक्वल माइनस 2x अपॉन 3 इक्वल माइनस 1 by 3 माइनस कैंसिल 3 कैंसिल, remaining 2x equal to 1 therefore x equal to 1 by 2. So x equal to 1 by 2 and y को minus 1 by x equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3 answer. Next question number 3, x plus y equal to a plus b and x minus b y equal to a square minus b square. I wish eliminate by term, right here in question second b the multiply by b in question first, तो bx प्लस बी बाई इक्वल टू बी इंटू ए बी और बी इंटू बी स्क्वायर, ए एक्स माइनस बी बाई इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. एडिंग देम बिकॉज बोथ इन डिफरेंट साइन प्लस एंड माइनस, तो ए एक्स प्लस बी बाई इक्वल टू बी स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस कैंसिल, ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी एस कॉमन, ए प्लस बी ए कॉमन ए प्लस ए बी ए प्लस बी कैंसिल एक्स इक्वल टू ए आंसर. नाउ पुटिंग एक्स इक्वल टू ए इन इक्वेशन फर्स्ट और सेकेंड, पुटिंग एक्स इक्वल टू ए इन इक्वेशन फर्स्ट, एक्स प्लस वाई इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी, एक्स इक्वल टू ए गिवन प्लस वाई इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी, ए कैंसिल वाई इक्वल टू बी आंसर. देयरफॉर एक्स इक्वल टू ए एंड वाई इक्वल टू बी आंसर. नेक्स्ट मेथड बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड. फॉर्मूले डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूले फॉर एक्स एंड बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एक्स इक्वल टू b1 c2 माइनस b2 c1 अपॉन a1 b2 माइनस a2 b1 एंड बाई इक्वल टू c1 a2 माइनस c2 a1 अपॉन a1 b2 माइनस a2 b1. सॉल्व फॉर एक्शन बाई. क्वेश्चन गिवन दैट 3x माइनस 5y माइनस 19 इक्वल टू 0, This is equation first. Second equation minus 7x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 given. Here a1 equal to 3, b1 equal to minus 5, c1 equal to minus 9, 19, a2 equal to minus 7, b2 equal to 3 and c2 equal to 1. a1 means a coefficient of x in equation first. b1 equal to b1 coefficient of y in equation first and c1 equal to constant term. Similarly, a2 equal to coefficient of x in of equation second, b2 equal to coefficient of y of equation second and c2 equal to constant term of equation second. Is that right formula? X equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 c2 b1. Find right insert the b1 c2 and solve it. This is equal to minus 10 answer. X equal to minus 2 answer. And y equal to right y equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 c2 b1. Insert c1 value of c1 and a2 c2 and a1 and a1 b2 and a minus a2 b1. This is solution of y equal to minus 10. Therefore x equal to minus 2 and y equal to minus 10 answer.